Happy Lord's Day, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ. What truly matters in life? In the gospel for today, we heard that the kingdom of heaven is like a treasure buried in a field, which a person finds and hides again, and out of joy goes and sells all that he has and buys that field. This person in the gospel understood the value of the field and the treasure that he found. That value surpasses everything that he considered riches or gain. He can give up all so that he could gain what is more important. It is an understanding of what truly matters. Friends, what are you willing to sacrifice for the sake of the kingdom? Mga kapatid, ano ang handa nating isakripisyo para sa kaharian ng Diyos? Kung yun ang pinakamahalaga sa atin, gaya ng sinabi ng ating ebanghelyo ngayon, na ito'y kayamanan na higit pa sa lahat ng kayamanan, handa nating isakripisyo lahat upang makamtan natin ang kaharian ng Diyos, upang makamtan natin ang kayamanang ito na higit pa sa lahat ng kayamanan na kayang ialay ng mundo. Happy Lord's Day! Magsimag po tayo lahat ngayon at ipagdasal natin na ang bagyo na to ay mawala at ligtas ang ating mga kababayan. God bless po!